Let's do a simple impulse problem. So, we have a 0.15 kilogram baseball that is traveling to the right at 30 meters per second. Generally, we define motion to the right as being positive, so let's make this a positive 30 meters per second. It is hit by a bat for 0.25 seconds and starts traveling left at 30 meters per second. And generally, we define motion to the left as being negative, so let's define this as a negative 30 meters per second. What is the force exerted on it by the bat? So the way we're going to do this is we're going to use the two different equations for impulse. So we have impulse equals change in momentum, and impulse equals force times time. So we're going to find the impulse with this first equation, and then we're going to find the force, once we know the impulse, with the second equation. So to find change in momentum, we should know that change in would mean momentum final minus momentum initial. Momentum is P equals mv. That's our basic definition of momentum. So we're going to be taking our mass times velocity final minus our mass times velocity initial. So to find the impulse, or the change in momentum, we will take our mass, which is 0.15 kilograms, times our final velocity, which is negative 30 meters per second. And then we're going to subtract our mass, 0.15 kilograms, times our starting velocity, which is a positive 30 meters per second. So that will get us our change in momentum, which will get us our impulse. This is going to be a negative 4.5, and then minus a positive 4.5. So minus 4.5 minus 4.5, it gets us negative 9. So that is our impulse. Now let's use that to find our force. So we get negative 9 equals our force times time. And our time is 0.25 seconds. We're trying to isolate this f by itself, so we are going to divide both sides by 0.25, which is the same as multiplying times 4. And we get an answer of negative 36 newtons is our force. Or we can say 36 newtons to the left.